Hi everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video of Logging It, I will be showing you how to fix Instagram music or story music not working. So for that, what you need to do is you need to open the Instagram application first and then get logged in into the account of yours. So you're trying to post a story on Instagram, but the music or the Instagram story music option is not available or is not working for you. Like Instagram music not showing all songs and Instagram music no result found. These are the issues and the problem that you're facing. So how you can fix this is you can try updating your Instagram application. The first method to fix Instagram music not working is to update your Instagram application. Just go to the Google Play Store. Then on the search bar, you type in Instagram, tap open the app. There you can see I need to update my Instagram application. Tap and update. Tap on update. Wait for the update to be completed. Make sure your phone is connected to your Wi-Fi. Now once the update is completed, you can try whether the music option is solved or not. This is the one way how you can do this. The another way how you can fix this issue is you can try sign out and then sign in into your account once again. If solution first, that is the updating of the Instagram, cannot solve the problem of Instagram story music not working, just try the second method, that is you tap on the profile on the bottom right, then tap on 3 horizontal lines, then tap on setting and privacy and go to the very bottom of setting and privacy, then tap on log out. Once you're at the logout, you can try logging it once again. So if the music is still not working after trying out the sign out and sign in process, you can reinstall the application. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go to the Instagram on Google Play Store and then tap on uninstall. Uninstall this application. Tap on uninstall. Once you have uninstalled the app, you can try reinstall it and log in into the account of yours. Once the installation is completed, tap on open and then get logged in into the account of yours. Once you have been logged in, you can try posting a story with the Instagram music. Even after all this method, the issue of not being able to post the music on Instagram story is not fixed. You can connect Instagram support team. You can contact them for the issue you're having. For that, go to profile, then tap on the 3 horizontal line on top right. Tap on setting and privacy. In the setting and privacy, you scroll down to the bottom and tap on help. There you tap on report a problem. Tap on report a problem and then you type in the issue that you're having on your Instagram, like you cannot being able to access to the music or Instagram story. Just type in that and then tap on send. This is a way how you can fix a Instagram music story not working. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.